Learn Kazakh fast. May I equals.
Мен бола ма?
Welcome to Ch.16 Lingo. Great to have you here. Get comfy, you're about to learn a super useful Kazakh magic key. This podcast is brought to you by Ch.16 Lingo. Grab more tips at www.synapse-lingo.com. Today's key is may I.
Мен бола ма?
It's your polite permission tool. Think smile unlock. In Kazakh, permission is
Рұқсат,
and asking is.
сұрау,
You'll sound super
сыпайы.
when you use it. Quick tip. Don't confuse permission with ability. Ability is
Мен істей аламын ба?
your goal today. By the end, you'll ask for permission smoothly and confidently. Your mission, use.
Мен бола ма?
In real moments, at a door, with a teacher, at a museum desk. We'll also try formal and soft negative variants like
Рұқсат па, мен?
and.
Мен болмай ма?
Let's unlock doors, politely. Forms and variants. Repeat after me, out loud. Keep it light and smiley. Base pattern, may I.
Мен бола ма?
Formal-ish. Permission, may I.
Рұқсат па, мен?
Soft negative, hedging. Would it be not okay if I.
Мен болмай ма?
Ability, not permission, can I, am I able.
Мен істей аламын ба?
Mini dialogues, real life scenes. Let's act it out, tiny scenes you can steal for real life. On a bus, may I sit?
Мен? Отыру бола ма?
Sure. In class, teacher, may I leave?
Мен? Шығу бола ма?
At a museum, may I take a photo?
Мен? Суретке түсіру бола ма?
At a door, may I enter?
Мен? Кіру бола ма?
Tea table, may I pour?
Мен? Құю бола ма?
Library whisper, permission?
Рұқсат па?
Doorway, may I go outside?
Мен? Сыртқа шығу бола ма?
Rhythm and gesture. Make it musical in your memory sticks. Yes, you've got this. Clap softly. Men, bola ma? Men, bola ma?
Мен бола ма?
Add the respectful gesture. Open palm near chest, small bow, and say it. Imagine a robot that only moves when it hears.
Мен бола ма?
Otherwise it freezes and beeps politely. Culture tip. Tea and respect. A tiny phrase, a huge smile, here's how to shine. At a Kazakh tea table, asking first shows heart. Say, may I pour?
Мен? Құю бола ма?
Need to pass a narrow path? May I pass?
Мен? Өту бола ма?
You're polite, clear, and warmly welcomed. Speed drill. Echo me fast, precision over speed, but keep it lively. May I enter?
Мен? Кіру бола ма?
May I take it?
Мен? Алу бола ма?
May I make a call?
Мен? Қоңырау шалу бола ма?
May I open my bag?
Мен? Сөмкемді ашу бола ма?
May I help?
Мен? Көмектесу бола ма?
Tiny grammar guardrails. You're nailing it. Here's a quick comparison to stay sharp. Permission key.
Мен бола ма?
Ability key.
Мен істей аламын ба?
Formal ask.
Рұқсат па, мен?
Soft refusal pattern to hear.
Мен болмай ма?
Quiz time. Answer out loud. I'll reveal it after a short pause. Q1. How do you say, may I, in Kazakh? A.
Мен бола ма?
Q2. Which one is ability, not permission? A.
Мен істей аламын ба?
Q3. Say, may I enter? A.
Мен? Кіру бола ма?
Q4. Formal vibe, permission, may I? A.
Рұқсат па, мен?
Memory hook. Let's lock it in with a fun image. Picture your home door glowing. It opens only when you say.
Мен бола ма?
Try it with, may I go outside?
Мен? Сыртқа шығу бола ма?
If you forget, the door does a polite robot beep and won't budge. Your challenge. One actionable task you can do today. Role play 2 scenes. 1. At customs. May I open my bag?
Мен? Сөмкемді ашу бола ма?
2. At an office door. Knock, gesture, may I enter?
Мен? Кіру бола ма?
Bonus. Compare with ability.
Мен істей аламын ба?
Thanks and next steps. You did great, little phrase, big impact. Thanks for listening, keep practicing.
Мен бола ма?
With everyday verbs like
Кіру. Отыру.
and.
Қоңырау шалу.
This episode was brought to you by Synapse Lingo. Visit www.synapse-lingo.com for more English Kazakh lessons, drills, and culture tips. See you next time.